time it's just Gavin, and I wanted to show you on my happy birthday, the 6/23rd, I just got my Pikachu, my Pokemon card that I just got from All the Real Pokemon tin. This is the tin I got for my happy birthday. And God, I am lucky. I got Pikachu. Pikachu. That was the last one I got. This thing, I'm speechless, man. That's something that is luck. That's called luck right there. And I have two of these guys. Two of these guys. These. I'm going to give one of these to Hernan, my very best friend. Because I have two of them. So, yeah. Anyway, they look cool. I'm just going to give one to Hernan's. Because you know how much I hate getting duplicates. Okay, bye. Oh, yeah, and I forgot to show you. I got, like, the strongest one. I got a strong one. Wait, I got 2 EXs. That is impressive, dude. I'm going to show you my 2 EXs. Because a lot of people want to see what Pokemon cards I have. I'm just going to set it right there. Here's my 1 EX. And another EX you could see, which is clear. It's right here. Here's 1 EX. And that's the character who's on the tin, which is, the tin lid is right here. That's the character. Wow, I'm going to eat you. Ah. Okay, bye, guys. Done Pokemon. Pikachu.